As the 6th China International Import Expo is to be unveiled in 30 days, exhibitors are entering a sprint stage in preparation for the exhibition. This year's expo, which will resume offline country exhibition, is scheduled to be held in Shanghai from November 5th to 10th. New Zealand's dairy brand The Land, which has participated in the CIIE for 5 consecutive years, has enjoyed the benefits brought by the event, as well as China's high-level opening up.
中国高水平的对外开放，不仅是让我们企业短暂的受益，而且是有完整的系统性保障。我们的进口鲜奶原来进入中国市场，光检验检疫就要4天的时间，现在周一挤奶，周二上飞机，周三中国的消费者能够同步享受。我想，这就是中国给世界带来的机遇，也让中国消费者实实在在的受益。
According to the organizers, some 150,000 business professionals from over 100 countries and regions around the world are expected to participate in this year's expo.
The CIIE is really a good platform where we're not only taking the perspective that we are also taking in our strategy of in China for the world. So what can we do based on the Chinese supply chain, which is very strong in areas like new energy, in storage, and a number of other areas, but where we're also looking at what technologies that we've developed internationally would actually benefit the Chinese market and deserve some extra attention in that direction.
Our theme for this year is shaping a sustainable future through Henkel innovations. And in this category, we want to bring to bear a lot of technologies which are going to enable China's transition to a low-carbon economy. The expo itself is a commitment that shows that China is open for business with the rest of the world. It's a great opportunity for multinationals such as Henkel to showcase our technologies. So we can showcase our latest technologies that we have developed in China or outside. And it's a place which is attracting visitors from all across the country, as well as many visitors from around the world. So we are able to interact with current customers, meet some future new clients as well. So it's a very good place to also exchange and learn what is the new trends in the marketplace.